Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to replace the rear windshield wiper on an Acura MDX, only way. Begin by parking on level ground, turning off the ignition, and lifting the wiper arm carefully away from the glass. Inspect the connector style and compare it to the new blade packaging for an exact match. Clear dirt from the hinge with a cloth. Prepare tools within arm's reach so the swap is quick and safe. Start by gently prying up the protective cap over the wiper arm, exposing the connector. Press the small release tab while pulling the old blade downward and away from the arm until it disengages. Keep fingers clear of the spring tension and lay the old blade on a towel. Inspect the arm hook for rust or deformation and wipe it clean before fitting the replacement to ensure secure seating. Slide the new blade onto the arm hook, ensuring the connector aligns with the arm's notch, then push until you hear a solid click. Lower the arm back onto the glass gently to avoid snapping and to check that the blade sits flush across the window. Turn the ignition on and cycle the rear wiper once to confirm correct movement and sealing. If any skipping or noise occurs, reseat the blade or replace if defective.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.